decided to take a road trip from Berlin all the way to Lanzarote. Let's go! I am in Spain. Yahoo! 40 euro cents cheaper than in France. So if you happen to be in the area, a visit to the Dali Museum and Figueres is definitely worth a trip. I'm gonna carry on towards the southwest now, the area of Tarragona, around 2 to 3 hours away from here. Check out the beach and go to the Pyrenees, to a beautiful spot I picked. Let's go! The highway toll has been lifted in August of this year due to protests. So basically, using the freeways here is free now. Close to Barcelona, traffic is getting thicker. A 4-lane freeway finds its way around Barcelona towards Tarragona and Valencia. And I'm gonna get myself a hotel room because I don't want to freeze my ass off again, man. The past 2 nights have already been pretty cold. The lady from the reception comes out and now she is actually removing her car, giving me a parking spot. So cool. This is her leaving and this is the hotel right in front of the door, man. Yoo-hoo! Well, not too shabby. I've definitely stayed in worse. I don't understand the share. You fucking ugly. So this costs me 36 euro when booked on booking.com. I'm in the little town of Cambrils, pretty close to Tarragona. I am heading for the mountains, Siurana, to go for a hike. I've been sitting on my ass for a couple of days now. I can't wait to get some energy in my body. Loads of campers here. Supposedly, Siurana is one of the best climbing sites in the world. I am walking to the little town of Siurana. It's freezing up here, 8 degrees right now, but fortunately the sun is shining and in the sunlight it's pretty bearable. Supposedly 36 people live here at an altitude of 737 meters. And the area surrounding this place is world-renowned for being a great climbing place, supposedly one of the best in the world. Some of the hardest climbing routes in the world. What a pretty little town. What a place. Oh, this is open. Door's closed. Oh, the riverbed is dry. This is the Siurana River and the Siurana Dam. Doesn't hold a lot of water right now. warm in the sunlight. I like that it's actually kind of cold. The air is refreshing and it's not as exhausting walking around and climbing around all these rocks. Obviously, a couple of tourists here. Look at this cozy little cute bar restaurant. What a cute place. Siurana. So glad I came. That was really nice. I don't know much about the area. I don't even know where I'm going right now. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna be awesome.